October 8th, Thursday. We almost have everyone. I guess except Shanghai, right? Shanghai here? No. Okay. Had a few meetings, offline meetings with Sven and Andrea team. It was great. Yeah, so I think everybody's doing their work. We are progressing very well. But I want to bring up a topic today because I saw our Telegram group. There are a lot of people asking how can they contact us? So I'm thinking that in the social media front, should we open up like Discord or let's say Reddit or I mean the Bitcoin talk is kind of old, right? Um, and maybe Medium. I remember last year Byron was writing our Medium blog. Um, do you think we should pick up Discord the channel again? So now you were managing Discord channel, right?
Yeah, I have a moderator role, so yeah, we can reactivate Discord, sure.
Yeah. Recently, I spent a lot of time on Discord channel. I actually tried a few other projects. Discord, it's pretty powerful. I think people actually can deposit their tokens into Discord channel. Use tip.cc. Have you tried
Yep.
that before?
Yep.
No.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know if it has to be YACI20 or our Metaverse token can be there too.
Yeah, I built 2 robots on Telegram,
Okay.
crypto robots, Eric. So it's doable.
Okay. So, do you think we should focus on Discord or Telegram? What do you think?
I have a suggestion.
Yeah.
Sven and I's been experimenting with a platform called Nextcloud.
Oh, that's
Yeah, we put up a server and it's already been branded. We have a secure SSL site to it. And the intent of it, Eric, was to find a collaboration tool, maybe some information that we could share with our community. And it does have features for chat and notifications. It has a lot of features that social platforms have. And I like the idea that since it was kind of an in-house server, we could host maybe all this social communication through something like that. Sven's a little familiar with it too, because he's done some modifications on the branding of it. So it's up online now. And I thought that might be a good idea to explore using it more as a community tool, because we really do own all our own data in that regard. Thoughts, Sven or Eric?
Thoughts is let's say our community may not be exclusively ours. They may just go to some other project, maybe some NFT platform, or say even Neo or other platform, and they probably using Telegram or Discord. Then they have to switch to the Nextcloud tool that we're using. I'm not saying no, but it probably make more sense to use something that more common.
Yeah, it's not fully integrated, Eric. We just started experimenting with it a few months ago. Yeah.
I think first we should use it for internal purposes before we open it to the public. I mean, we can do it, but I think Discord is just in the crypto space. Like everybody has a Discord account, so it is like for casual talks or for some like questions. I think it is a good tool. If it's about sharing, for example, if we want to share information or like files and stuff like that, then for this we can definitely use OwnCloud or Nextcloud.
Yeah, I have used it too for a few times when Jorge came up with the idea, and I think it's a great tool for internal, as Sven said, for now, until we're gonna figure out, Jorge's gonna figure out how is the community side of it, so we can put like a board there or something where we can direct people to send their questions, their technical questions, or the whatever questions they have in regards with our platform.
Yeah, well, the purpose of the subject that I brought up is really, I want to bring back the transparency and the openness to the community, that so the community know that what are we doing and what are we considering, what are we planning. So really it's just try to be really open, because I know I know it's recording, but I still gonna say something not good about DNA this morning. I got really pissed that they decided to use Ali Cloud instead of Amazon Cloud Service. I was like, why do you guys want to do this, right? So it should be an international project. So look back here, I'm thinking that we need to be extremely transparent, extremely open to the community. And, you know, if we do something wrong, as long as we're listening and we're being transparent to the community, they will be okay with the mistakes we make, right? So that's the purpose of this conversation. I think we need to, I mean, focus a bit more on the social media part, that you know, just engage our community truthfully.
Yeah, I agree. I'm on both, Eric. I'm on Discord and Telegram. I have used Discord as really my go-to for conversations with community and devs. Most of the blockchain devs I know are on Discord. They prefer it over Telegram. I do have both. I have 2 crypto bots set up that give away coins on a couple of channels I set up. So I can share that with the group as to how they work, distributing coins. I have a Discord and a Telegram channel, and they both have faucets that give out coins and reward community coins for number of postings and things like that. It's automated. You can use those.
So when you say you build bots for Telegram, will you be able to accept deposit withdrawals and things like that? The tip.cc did.
I'm not sure. They're not set up to take deposits. Okay. They are set up to faucet coins, like in a faucet environment, give rewards automatically. They have like 4 features. Of course, the bots can be expanded to anything, Eric. But the ones I set up were fairly basic, and it was an intent to keep the community involved, right? Whereby, you know, a bot would give them X number of coins or tokens based on X number of postings and things like that.
Right, right. So I actually experiment a little bit on the on Discord channel that use tip.cc, and they can use simple commands like show me balance and buy some exchange token, buy some position. You know, I was in this NFT project called Whale. They actually could buy position, the community position. So the community called Whale Shark. So you can buy shark position, you can buy dolphin position using tokens, and just use simple Discord command. That's really, really cool. That's really a community management tool. And also you can do airdrops and staking as well. I mean.
Okay, well, I could do a little presentation with you later offline and show you how they work, what I've got going so far.
Yeah, okay. I mean.
They're a good idea. People like them. The community members like that stuff.
Right, right. I'm just thinking that I'm just trying to say maybe Discord is a good idea. And do you guys have any other, you know, recommendation? What else the platform we should engage our community using what platform? Facebook, Twitter.
If I hello.
Yeah,
oh yeah, go ahead.
We also need some way to detect spam and automatically remove bots.
That's tougher to do on Telegram than on Discord. Telegram's plagued with spam. Discord is less plagued.
Yeah, I saw some Telegram channels where when you enter them, you have to, do some capture or you have to answer some question. I think that already can prevent some bots.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
a tool that's available on Telegram. It's true.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have those both, and the primary security feature seems to be that you don't allow a member to join the channel unless they have a confirmed email. Discord and Telegram has built some security features in there where you can simply select if this person does not have an official registered email with us and phone number, you can say phone number, you can't join the channel. So they have some built-in security features along those lines. Some.
If I may suggest something, like we were browsing the MVS docs, right? And a lot of the language there is in English only. Of course, that's the primary target market, and Chinese. Do we have anywhere, it's just a question and then probably a suggestion if we don't have it, a multilingual forum type where people can go and read in the forum environment, let's say some tutorials in Spanish, in French, the same like we have on the main website?
Yeah, currently not. Currently not. I think it would be good if we can find some like community manager who speaks French, for example, or Spanish, or who can organize maybe something like this.
Telegram, we had the Russian channel at some point, but I think that's the only other language we had.
Okay, because I saw, like, from my experience, a lot of the communities, they have their own forum. Like we have the MVS docs with the tutorials, right? But that if you have a forum that it can, like in a Bitcoin talk, right? Take Bitcoin talk forum, for example, right? So each project, then you go and read in so many languages, topics, right? In that forum. So I was thinking about the same environment, engaging from the community. I'm sure we have a lot of, multilingual speakers on our community.
You could do channels on Discord also. Discord is good for that. You do one channel for each language, and then if you want to speak this language, you go to this channel. Yeah,
I mean, we could ask the question in the Telegram, say, and some qualified people can become like a manager of I don't know, French or other languages forum. This is going to be. Yeah.
They all sorry to interrupt, Adrian. They all use, I use a translation bot on both my channels. It translates, I think, up to 160 languages. So it doesn't matter if somebody types in Chinese or French, you can put the default language to automatically translate it into the language of choice, English channel or otherwise. But bots work really good on Discord, especially translation bots. I found them to be very useful.
Okay, then I guess Discord, it is for now. We should try to engage more on that channel, on that app.
Eric, is there a reason that we wouldn't choose to engage in all of them? Reddit, Medium, Twitter, Bitcoin Talk, all of the above? I know that's a big job, but
we could. But who's going to manage that? You?
Yeah, no.
There you go.
It's a full-time job managing a Discord channel. One.
Oh, we're a bunch of developers, right? Including myself. I was writing the smart contract. I mean, Sven knows that yesterday. So what do we know about social media, right? So my idea is really let's engage one or two, maybe Telegram and Discord, engage community in these two channels, and we can ask the community what do they want to do, and we can give incentive for them to build our social media instead of we, the developers, managing these social media. That my thoughts I may not be right, so correct me if I'm wrong.
I would like to take over, for instance, Facebook.
Oh, see, we have a volunteer.
Hey, we have a volunteer.
Thank you, Oli.
You know, guys, let me tell you very briefly something. For some years, I did a lot of black hat marketing. So actually, I gathered a lot of expertise on Google and Facebook. And I'm very, very at ease with Facebook and Google doing campaigns and stuff and marketing. So yes, I'd like, and I guess that Facebook can be a very good client pool in the future,
Yeah. Well,
because it's not that much probably business oriented, but consumer. So I'm willing to take over Facebook.
Yeah.
That's a
sounds
big
good.
one. That's a big one.
Hey guys,
Awesome.
I heard not only Facebook, because I also heard search engine optimization. Oli, right?
Yeah.
You said you're very good at Google, right?
Right, right.
There you go.
He-
So two things. Thank you.
He's a SEO, the company. So
Yeah, it was a time. Guys, when doing SEO was very, very productive. So we did a lot of money because it was easy to rank a keyword. You know, before all those algorithms with Panda and Penguin and stuff like that. And then actually, when those algorithms are rolled on, we moved to paid advertising. So spent tons of money on these platforms.
okay, good. So
Oli, we used to have a Facebook page. I don't know if we're still using them or not. Let me see if I can share it to you.
Okay, once I like it, I need to like the page. Then you can, once I have liked it, you can add me as an admin, and then I can start working on it.
Yeah, I think this is really old stuff. Right? I don't know what.
Doesn't matter, we can rebrand it.
Can you see this? It's
Yes, yes.
2016. It hasn't been updated for like really long time.
Yeah, we can work on it. It's perfect.
Still using the very, very, very old logo.
Look at that.
There is also another one, MVS Official. This is the one that is linked on our landing page.
Okay, okay, yeah. But anyway, we need to, organize these things, put them together, and make it work, serve the community better.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
MVS Official has some newer content. Not too new, but this year.
Cool.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
okay, so all is gonna do some Facebook. Who's on Telegram? Like any of us from here from the group working on the Telegram channel?
Sven is like
Yes,
me,
Sven and you're on Telegram. And Discord, Sven, right?
and Laurent's on Telegram as well.
yeah, I'm on
Okay.
Telegram and Discord. Yeah.
So Telegram is pretty good covered than Discord then. So what are Reddit? You were saying we have Reddit too? Medium?
Oh yes, we had Medium that hasn't been updated for quite a while. Reddit, I don't know. Need to ask.
Okay, so you can assign me
we have
to
one Metaverse blockchain, but it also has not been updated for a long time.
where? Sorry, Laurent.
It's like Metaverse_blockchain, the name of the Reddit channel.
Oh, the name of the Reddit channel. I see. Okay. So I don't know if everybody volunteers today. I can volunteer for Medium or Reddit.
Okay, I think I really like to have you to manage the Reddit channel. I mean, Reddit is really important.
Okay. So we need to create, oh, by the way, Sven and Laura, I'm gonna need your emails. I don't have your official emails. We just talk on Nextcloud. Just to have you add to this board where it's kind of like a dashboard. We're all together here. And
Okay,
then we
sure.
can create a tab where we can communicate. We can, so if we're gonna work on all these channels together, we need to say, hey, today we're going to post these. We're going to need to find a formula to post the same post on all the channels, like on Telegram, on Facebook, and on Reddit, for example, and on Discord, right?
If you allow me, Adrian, please
Yeah,
be
go
aware that when you disseminate content with the same or very similar, very close timestamp, can be interpreted that you used, so Google might think that you used an automatic software to disseminate on all networks the same content, and might be not good and might be marked as spam.
But it's not the same timestamp. Like we're gonna, nobody, I mean, I don't think we're gonna pay all in this, we're gonna all post in the same exactly timestamp. Like
no, it's not exact, but you know, so so Google is crazy. I'm just telling you.
Okay, well.
So having a little bit diversity and a little bit, for instance, if you post today, I post the next day and stuff like that, mixing the things.
Well, that's good advice, and we should take it in consideration in our discussion before we post something. That's really good, actually. So you trick the Google bot.
Yeah. That's very important.
Okay, sure, but it can be done, yeah. So.
Sure.
All right, so I'm the Reddit guy. I'm gonna need the address. I see here. Okay, I got the link. Thank you, guys.
Cool. I guess that's it for the social media talk. What else you guys you have updates?
Yes, as we were discussing yesterday on our current to-do list, we have on the ETP chain, we have completing the connection to the blockchain explorer, and we added the wallet functionality. I'm not sure if the wallet is 100% up at this time, but we're very, very close probably today. Razvan, can you give us an update on the wallet, on the ETP?
Yes, after the meeting, we will be uploaded the current link.
So you're gonna put a new link for the wallet?
Yes, will be a new link, yeah. That's
okay,
right.
So the Beetlejuice is up and running, today should be functional. And
I still like the name.
Well,
it's an old funny movie from the 80s for me, so.
Yeah, so it's up on a functional, and that's probably the most important update we have from our team at this time. Okay.
Yeah. And Lauren and Sven, if you can speak to Yao from Shanghai about the integration of DNA chain on the Light Wallet, would be nice.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
In the last days, we haven't contacted them because of the Chinese holidays.
Yes.
But tomorrow, I think, will be a regular workday. Yeah.
So the reason behind is the current DNA swap will go live in maybe 2-3 days. Mm-hmm. But the first version will be ERC20, swap. So I think within a month, I really like to see it move to the DNA or ETP chain. So that being said, we need a plugin wallet, the extension wallet that supports ETP and the DNA. I think Shanghai is working on one version of that Chrome extension wallet that mainly focus on DNA. But I really like you guys can retool. I mean, use the.
I offered them help. I said that of course we can help them if they want to use even the code base.
Yeah, I mean, just give user options to use whichever they prefer, right? I think my ETP wallet has large user base than the newly created ETP wallet. So we cannot force user to switch. If they still want to stick with my ETP wallet, we need to give them options.
So we should support the DNA ERC20. right?
I'm thinking both DNA ERC20, ETH, and no, not both. So both ERC20 and the main chain DNA.
And the
Okay.
MST.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay.
I know it probably take longer, but why don't we also add Bitcoin and
Yeah, but then the name my ETP wallet is not so good for this. That's why.
Yeah, we find some good name like Beetlejuice, right?
Yeah, that was my main concern that I also said to Yao that you know, if we integrate all the DNA functionality into the into my ETP wallet, then you know it's not really my ETP wallet any longer. You know, it will be more than that. So we should come up with a better name.
Well, it doesn't matter. To me, iPhone is not a phone anymore, right? How many times you use the iPhone to call somebody? I mean, WhatsApp and WeChat doesn't count, okay?
Yeah, okay. But still, I think it would be good to have a better name.
Yeah, I agree.
Maybe the Metaverse wallet or the, something.
I'd say strong with the Metaverse. I like the Metaverse name. Hey, Eric, you mentioned that it'd been used in a few other references, but that gives us a bit of an angle and an edge. I'd stay. You were the first Metaverse kind of marketing name, were you not, in the blockchain world?
I think so. But now
we push. I like Metaverse name personally.
Decentraland and Crypto Vasos and also Sandbox game, all of them adopt Metaverse name. They call their maps. They call their maps Metaverse, which makes sense.
Well, good. Some good SEO marketing and placement and tricking some maybe Google bots that only can do. We can reroute Metaverse inquiries to our websites and forums.
Yeah. So yesterday, you know, James gave me a list of the virtual assets could be bought as NFT. So the virtual lands he categorized as Metaverse.
Oh.
Well, we're getting a little diluted, but you know, we were first, Eric. So
yeah,
we need the
for keeping the name.
We need a copyright, Eric, on Metaverse.
Okay, I guess that's it. If you guys don't have anything to add, we can meet next Tuesday, but we can have individual meetings on the site.